30 Best SEO Tips to Improve Your Organic Traffic and Rank #1 on Google. Ranking on the first page of Google is very important if you want to get organic traffic and visitors to your site. There are a few key things you can focus on to increase your chances of reaching that top spot. First and foremost, it's important to understand how Google works. The search giant uses algorithms to determine the relevance and quality of websites and content. This means that you need to make sure your site is filled with high-quality, relevant content and has a solid structure and organization. Branches of SEO. There are several branches or areas of focus within the field of search engine optimization, or SEO. These include 1. On-page SEO. On-page SEO involves optimizing the content and structure of your website to make it more search engine friendly. It includes things like optimizing your page titles and headings using relevant keywords and making sure your website is mobile friendly. 2. Off-page SEO. Off-page SEO refers to the activities you do outside of your website to improve its ranking in search results. It includes building backlinks from other websites, as well as engaging in social media marketing and other online marketing activities. 3. Technical SEO. Technical SEO involves optimizing the technical aspects of your website, such as its code and structure, to make it more easily understood and crawled by search engines. It includes things like improving the website's load time and making sure it's accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. 4. Local SEO. If you have a physical location or serve a specific geographic area, local SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank well in local search results. It includes things like claiming your Google My Business listing and optimizing your website for local keywords. 5. Content SEO. Content SEO involves optimizing the content on your website to make it more relevant and valuable to search engines and users. It includes things like keyword research, creating high-quality content, and promoting your content through social media and other channels. 30 Best Timeless SEO Tips to Improve Your Search Ranking. Number 1. Before you publish a blog post, conduct keyword research using free tools such as Ahrefs free keyword research tool or SEMrush to find the most relevant keywords to use in your content and meta tags. 2. Use those keywords in your website's page titles, headings, and throughout the content, but only use keywords when appropriate. Otherwise, you'll be keyword stuffing, and that's against Google's guidelines. The third SEO tip is to make sure your website is mobile-friendly and optimized for all devices. Tip number 4 is to improve the loading speed of your website by optimizing images and eliminating unnecessary codes and scripts in your backend. You should always aim to achieve a performance page speed of above 89% on Google's Page Speed Insights tool. The fifth SEO tip is ensure you use header tags such as H1, H2, and H3s to structure your content and make it easier for search engines to understand. Another tip is always use alt tags to describe images on your website and blog post to improve accessibility and give search engines more context. The seventh SEO tip is use internal linking to help search engines understand the structure of your website and improve the user experience. Internal linking is very important in SEO and ranking articles. Orphan pages on your site will tend to perform the least. The next tip is, just like the previous tip, you should put effort into acquiring external backlinks as well. This will increase your credibility and authority of your website, and it'll help you rank higher on search engine results pages. But make sure you only acquire backlinks the safe way. Most vendors sell a lot of toxic backlinks that will definitely get your site penalized eventually. Always avoid redirect backlinks and excessive comment backlinks. The types of backlinks you should be acquiring are guest post backlinks, minimal amounts of profile backlinks, minimal amounts of Web 2 backlinks, and directory listings. The ninth SEO tip is create high-quality, unique, and informative content that provides value to your audience. From time to time, publish long list posts, case study articles, and articles that features a lot of research data and infographics. Doing this will help you naturally attract backlinks without lifting a finger. Tip number 10. Use social media to promote your content and website and to connect with your audience. Consistently posting on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok will eventually help you grow large audiences on those platforms, and you can then send that audience over to your blog and landing pages. Also, make sure to use social media hashtags to make it easier for users to discover and share your content. Tip number 11. Use Google My Business to claim your local business listing and optimize it with relevant information and photos. Tip number 12. Use schema markup to provide additional context and information about your website to search engines. Blog posts that implement a schema markup tend to rank higher than those that don't. Just by installing SEO plugins such as Yoast SEO and Rank Math, your blog posts will automatically have the article schema markup whenever you publish new posts. The 13th SEO tip is to optimize your website's URL structure to make it more readable and user-friendly. Always choose the permalink structure that uses words instead of numbers. This way, you can add keywords to your URLs. Try not to make your permalinks or URLs too long though, because shorter permalinks perform better. SEO tip number 14. Use meta descriptions to give search engines and users a summary of what your page is about. Meta description is one of the most important aspects of having a successful ranking on Google and other search engines. Ensure you're writing unique meta descriptions for each blog post you publish. Articles without a meta description will never rank on Google. SEO tip number 15. Monitor your website's performance and rankings using tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. This will give you insight on the right steps to take and opportunities to improve your overall site performance. Tip number 16. Fix broken links and errors on your website to improve the user experience and prevent negative impacts on your rankings. Having a lot of broken links and 404 errors on your site will definitely affect your rankings. So, make sure to fix such issues whenever you find them. SEO tip number 17. Use long-tail keywords to attract a more specific and relevant audience. Long-tail keywords also make it easier for you to rank your blog posts, especially when you're starting out. The 18th SEO tip is, utilize video and image alt tags to improve the accessibility and SEO of your multimedia content and rank on both the video and image search engines of Google. SEO tip number 19. Install social sharing buttons on your site to make it easy for users to share your content on social media platforms. Tip number 20. Utilize the power of influencer marketing to reach a wider audience and improve your SEO. SEO tip number 21. Core Web Vitals is currently one of Google's ranking factors. Therefore, use Google's Page Speed Insights tool to identify ways to improve the loading speed of your website. Tip number 22. Make use of keyword-rich anchor text when linking to your posts and pages or other websites. SEO tip number 23. Go to Google's structured data testing tool to verify that your website's schema markup is correct. SEO tip number 24. Make use of Google's mobile-friendly test tool to ensure that your website is optimized for mobile devices. SEO tip number 25. Make sure to regularly check Google's Search Console to inspect and fix crawl errors and security issues on your website. SEO tip number 26. Write long-form content to demonstrate your expertise and provide value to your audience. Long-form content, or the skyscraper technique, will help you rank higher for more competitive keywords than shorter posts. SEO tip number 27. Use catchy and descriptive titles to entice users to click on your search result appearances. Put in effort to make your blog titles attention-grabbing and clickable. You can use the AI tool ChatGPT to come up with catchy and attractive headlines. Tip number 28. Create a topical sitemap for your site. A topical sitemap is a group or cluster of semantically related keywords or blog topics that you can publish on your blog and interlink with one another. Publishing tens of topically related articles around a particular topic will increase your topical authority and make Google index and rank your subsequent articles around that topic faster. SEO tip number 29. Use tools like SEMrush or Ubasuggest to analyze your competitors' SEO strategies and find inspiration to optimize and improve on your own posts. And finally, the 30th SEO tip is, always disavow toxic backlinks from time to time. especially when you realize somebody is using negative SEO tactics against you. This will ensure that you're not negatively impacted by malicious low-quality links to your site. To get more exclusive scoops, join my blogging email list. See the link in the description.